Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful prima donna deluxe espresso machine. Now this machine had the field error, circuit error, and that was because the flow meter was not working properly. And for that we just replaced it. This one is right here, and we gave this machine a tune-up, replacing the brew unit itself. This one is right here, and deep cleaning everything inside, the spouts, the insides of the machine, as well as the mechano valve, replacing the O-ring from the mechano valve, and deep cleaning the shower screen as well. So yeah, we just gave it a good tune up and a good cleaning. And starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the steam. Apologies. Because you have to select the drink from here, and then we started with one of these. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, excellent flow, and an excellent quantity of coffee as well. We're grinding on the coarsest setting, so that means we can even get it more. We can even get more crema, get more thicker by increasing the grind settings of the grinder. Again, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Working excellent. Hot water on the steam, steam one, as you can see, nice and hot. Steady stream coming out of the one, no leaks or anything around it. Working fine. And now we can test the steam. Perfect. Once the thermal blocks gets into temperature, the water pump will start pulsating water into the thermal block and into the steam one, and now the one itself. Once the thermal block gets to full temperature, we're gonna be able to see the full pressure of the steam one. Coming out of the steam one, and pressure, and there you have it. DeLonghi prima donna deluxe in 1 second. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this day, and thanks for watching.